we actually got the signal meter working. Got a 9-pound signal being injected into a Cobra 148. I guess got it tacked in place. But we can change the channel. Signal drops off, turn it back. If we key up the microphone, we get a power scale there.
Hello, audio, talk into it, bounces right up to what it should be. Hello, audio, test 1, 2, test 1, 2.
Now if we want to get an SWR scale, we just release the mic momentarily and key it up again. Then we got to flip it to calibrate position. Okay. Adjust the calibration knob. Flip it to SWR, and there we got our reading. And if we need to get to S/RF, we got to flip the switch back to S/RF. So overall, I think we're doing a great job.
Hello, audio, except I double keyed too quick
And got it on the SWR cal scale, but you got to wait more than a second.
and then you get the power scale. Ooh, audio, hey, hey, hey. Hello, audio.